This is OPPO Reno 8T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the OPPO browser. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, onwards at the search bar type in OPPO. Once any tab is found, click at this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the blue continue button. Onwards, choose whether you would like to enable notifications for OPPO, or you can always skip this step. The same goes for setting OPPO as your default browser app. And finally, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to OPPO, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.